Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're trying to activate iMessage and FaceTime on your iPhone device and you are facing this type of problem on iMessage or FaceTime activation, an error occurred during the activation, try again. So in this video, I will show you the possible solutions, how you can fix this type of problem. First of all, here you will have to just simply close this tab. After that, first of all, you will need to open setting of your iPhone device. Then from here, first of all, make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, then you will have to disconnect with Wi-Fi and connect it again. And if you are using cellular data, then you will have to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. Then after that, scroll it below, tap on general. Then again scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, and then here you will need to just simply tap on reset network settings. After that, go back. Then again you will have to just simply scroll it below, tap on general, then scroll it below, tap on date and time, and here make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct and the time zone is selected correctly. Then after that, go back. Then after that, here you will have to just simply scroll it below, then search here iMessage. So here is the iMessage. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then from here you will have to turn off the iMessage and turn it on again. Then after that, scroll it below, and from here turn on the toggle show contact photo and send read and receive from here. Then after that, here is the option of send as SMS. You will have to just simply turn it on. So then tap on blocked contacts, and from here you'll have to make sure that here is not any blocked contact available on this option. So after that, here you will have to again open FaceTime here. So here is a FaceTime. You will have to just simply open this. Then same here, you will have to turn off the FaceTime and turn it on again. Then after that, you will have to close this tab and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting of your iPhone device, scroll it below, tap on general, then scroll it below, tap on background app refresh, and here you will have to make sure that background app refresh toggle is turned on from here. Then close this. Then after that, tap on VPN and device management, and here make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with VPN and try again later. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to tap on general, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on here. You will have to factory reset your iPhone device and turn it on and check that the problem fixed or not. If after all these settings still you are facing this problem, then you will have to again open setting, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, hopefully after all these settings, FaceTime and iMessage activation error will be solved and you will be able to use FaceTime and iMessage on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.